In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete location projects. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected, then click on Locations. Choose the location you would like to add or remove projects from. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Deployments. From the drop-down menu, select Projects. You should arrive at a list of your location's projects. To add a new one, click the Add button at the top of the chart. Next, choose the project you would like to add. I'll do Coffee Shop 3 Inventory. If you don't want to add a new project, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to click Save. And now that project has been added. To remove a project, click the box next to that project and select Remove at the bottom of the chart. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove that project. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that project has been removed. That's how you can add and remove a project from a specific location. To learn how to add and remove activities from a specific location, check out the next video.